Daily dose of internet. Daily dose of internet. This bird flew into the glass window and got hurt, so this gorilla ran over to make sure it was okay.
Oh my goodness. How?
Are you videoing that?
Yep. What's wrong with it?
He's trying to get it. It looks like he's trying to get it to go.
It's fly. As if to say, fly away.
This person climbed to the top of this mountain in Switzerland and got this incredible shot.
We know you're upset.
This is what a baby beaver sounds like.
You're just happy. Oh, you're happy. What? What's wrong?
Yuna, komm.
This is what the northern lights look like in real time.
Did you just do that by himself?
Ja.
This is what happens when you jump on a ship that's going over large waves. This is corn syrup, which is the stuff you will find in your favorite sodas such as Pepsi, Coca-Cola, or Sprite. I wanted to let everyone know that I do have a gaming channel now called Daily Dose of Gaming if you wanted to get to know me a little better as a person. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.